Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. For part 2 of our series on the Acura RDX. If you're fascinated by this remarkable vehicle, you're in for a treat. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at ownership costs, insurance, and fuel efficiency. Stay with us to uncover the financial aspects of owning an Acura RDX. Depreciation. Depreciation is the natural decline in a car's value over time. Acura RDX will depreciate by $16,370 after 5 years. Depreciation is difficult to avoid, but it can be managed. Depreciation is the difference between the original sales price and what the vehicle will be worth in the future. 5 years are used as an example in our analysis. When new, a typically equipped Acura RDX sells for $49,635 on average. After 5 years of depreciation, the average residual value will be $33,265. It's an important factor to consider, especially if you plan to sell or trade in your vehicle in the future. The Acura RDX has a solid reputation for holding its value well compared to its competitors. This means that even after 5 years of ownership, you can expect a respectable resale value, reducing the impact of depreciation on your overall costs. In summary, understanding the 5-year cost to own is crucial before making a significant investment in a vehicle like the Acura RDX. By carefully considering the insurance cost, fuel cost, maintenance cost, and depreciation, you can assess whether the Acura RDX aligns with your long-term budget and financial goals. With its competitive insurance rates, efficient fuel economy, reliable performance, and strong resale value, the Acura RDX presents itself as a smart and cost-effective choice for SUV enthusiasts. When it comes to owning a car, there are numerous factors to consider, one of which is the insurance cost. Insurance is a vital aspect of car ownership, and understanding the factors influencing insurance costs can help you make informed decisions. In this section, we will delve into the factors that affect insurance costs for the Acura RDX and explore some tips to lower this expense. Factors influencing insurance cost. Several key factors come into play when determining the insurance cost for the Acura RDX. It's essential to be aware of these factors as they can have a significant impact on your insurance premiums. 1. Vehicle type and model. The Acura RDX falls into the luxury SUV category, which typically incurs higher insurance costs compared to standard sedans or compact cars. The higher cost of replacement parts and repairs, as well as the perceived risk associated with luxury vehicles, contribute to this. Safety features. The presence of advanced safety features in the Acura RDX can have a positive influence on insurance costs. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision mitigation can lead to lower premiums as they reduce the risk of accidents and potential injuries. Driving record. Your driving record plays a significant role in determining your insurance rates. A history of accidents, traffic violations, or claims will likely result in higher premiums. On the other hand, a clean driving record can help you secure more affordable insurance rates. Location, where you reside, also affects insurance costs. If you live in an area with high vehicle theft rates or a high incidence of accidents, insurance companies may charge higher premiums to compensate for the increased risk. Tips to lower insurance cost for Acura RDX. While insurance costs are influenced by various factors, there are some steps you can take to potentially lower your insurance premiums for the Acura RDX. Compare insurance providers. Take the time to research and compare insurance providers to find the best rates for your Acura RDX. Different companies may offer different premiums, so it's worth obtaining quotes from multiple insurers. Maintain a clean driving record. Safe driving habits are not only crucial for your well-being but can also help you save on insurance costs. By avoiding accidents and traffic violations, you can demonstrate to insurance companies that you are a low-risk driver. Consider increasing deductibles. Adjusting your deductible amount can impact your insurance premiums. Choosing a higher deductible means you will bear more financial responsibility in the event of a claim, but this can lead to lower monthly insurance payments. Utilize safety features. Ensure that all safety features in your Acura RDX are in good working condition. These features not only help keep you safe on the road but can potentially qualify you for discounts on your insurance premiums. Bundle insurance policies. If you have multiple insurance needs, such as homeowners or renters insurance, consider bundling these policies with your auto insurance. Many insurance companies offer discounts for bundling, potentially reducing the overall insurance cost. By understanding the factors influencing insurance costs and implementing these tips, you can work towards lowering your insurance premiums for the Acura RDX. Remember to consult with insurance professionals to get personalized advice based on your specific circumstances. Fuel efficiency and tips to reduce fuel costs. The Acura RDX is a popular luxury SUV known for its powerful performance and impressive features. In this section, we will delve into its fuel efficiency and provide you with useful tips to reduce fuel costs. Fuel efficiency. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Acura RDX stands out amongst its competitors. Equipped with a robust 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine, the RDX offers a balanced combination of power and efficiency. It delivers an EPA estimated fuel economy of around 22 miles per gallon, (mpg), in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. With such decent numbers, the Acura RDX proves to be an efficient choice for daily commuting and long drives alike. Ways to reduce fuel costs. While the Acura RDX already boasts respectable fuel efficiency, there are several strategies you can employ to further reduce your fuel costs and maximize your vehicle's efficiency. 1. Eco-driving techniques. Develop a smooth driving style by avoiding sudden acceleration and harsh braking. Gentle acceleration and maintaining a steady speed not only improve fuel economy but also contribute to a more comfortable driving experience. Proper tire maintenance. Regularly check and maintain your tire pressure according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. Properly inflated tires ensure optimal contact with the road, resulting in better fuel economy. Reduce excessive weight. Remove any unnecessary items from your Acura RDX, especially bulky cargo that you don't need for your current trip. The extra weight can put a strain on the engine and cause increased fuel consumption. Traveling light will contribute to better fuel efficiency. Plan efficient routes. Use GPS or navigation apps that offer real-time traffic updates to plan your trips intelligently. Avoiding heavy traffic and congested routes can save you both time and fuel. Opting for the most efficient routes will help you minimize fuel consumption. Regular maintenance. Follow the recommended maintenance schedule provided by Acura to keep your RDX in top shape. Routine maintenance, such as oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug checks, ensures optimal engine performance, leading to better fuel efficiency. Consider carpooling or ride-sharing. Whenever possible, carpooling or utilizing ride-sharing services can reduce the number of vehicles on the road, ultimately lowering fuel consumption and emissions. It's an eco-friendly option that can also help save on fuel costs. By implementing these tips, you can enhance the fuel efficiency of your Acura RDX and save on fuel costs over time. Remember that small changes in driving habits and vehicle maintenance can make a significant difference in the long run. Note: the information provided above is based on general knowledge and research. Fuel efficiency and cost savings may vary depending on individual driving habits, road conditions, and other factors. Maintenance needs and cost-saving tips. When it comes to owning a vehicle like the Acura RDX, it is crucial to understand the typical maintenance needs and costs associated with it. Coming up, we will explore the maintenance requirements specific to the Acura RDX and also provide you with some valuable cost-saving tips to help you keep your vehicle in top condition without breaking the bank. Thank you for joining us in part 2 of our Acura RDX series. We hope you're getting a comprehensive view of the financial considerations that come with owning this vehicle. If you're enjoying this content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Continue with us in part 3, where we'll discuss the maintenance and depreciation of the Acura RDX. Thank you for watching.